What's for dinner? Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z and welcome back to Chef Z Cooks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own hot sauce. Now listen, I am super excited because I'm actually going to be using some hot peppers that I grew myself in the garden. Now of course, there are so many different ways of making hot sauce, and there's also a variety of different ways to making your hot sauce spicy. It really all depends on the type of hot pepper that you're using, and it also depends on just how mature your hot pepper is, because if you're using homegrown peppers like I am, the longer you let them sit on the vine maturing, the spicier that they're going to be. Now, we're also going to infuse so many yummy and fresh ingredients like some garlic, some onions, and some other peppers. So let's go ahead and get started. Making your own hot sauce is really simple, and I like to use a variety of different peppers because it's going to add some nice dimension to this hot sauce. We're going to add our roughly chopped peppers and onions along with our Scotch bonnets and our Ajicitos, which by the way, they look alike but they're totally different. We're going to add the garlic, and we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. Now it's totally up to you how chunky or how smooth you want your pepper sauce to be. I personally like my pepper sauce a little bit on the chunkier side. We're now going to add some fresh mangoes, and if mangoes aren't in season, feel free to use frozen mangoes. We're going to add some vinegar, and we're also going to add a pinch of salt, and we're going to further balance everything out with a little bit of brown sugar. Now, it's totally up to you how vinegary or how sweet you want to make your pepper sauce. So this is just my guidelines of how I like my pepper sauce, but by all means, go ahead and freestyle and season this thing to your liking. So again, we're going to smooth this up, and like I mentioned before, feel free to make this as chunky or as smooth as you like it. And once we have blended everything together, we're actually going to simmer it on a low flame for 20 minutes. Now, what this is going to do is that this is going to kill off some of the acidicness that we get from that raw vinegar, but it's also going to activate the oils in the hot pepper, so your pepper sauce is going to get a little spicier, but it's also going to get a little sweeter because remember, there's some mangoes and a little bit of brown sugar. Now, if you see that your pepper sauce is getting a little bit too thick, feel free to add a little bit of water or add a little bit more vinegar. It's totally up to you. And there you guys have it, my recipe for some homemade mango pepper sauce. Feel free to add this to your favorite dish, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, I'm Chef Z y buen provecho. Hey guys, quick tip whenever you are making this dish or whenever you're just dealing with hot peppers in general, please be super careful. Don't be that person.
Dan musst du doch nicht weinen.
That's over here touching these hot peppers and then touches your face, but more importantly, do not touch your eyes because you're going to have an awful time. If you're worried about just kind of touching your face, you can always wear some cooking gloves, and then as soon as you're done, just take them off and toss them away because you definitely want to be safe. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so that you don't miss out each and every single week whenever I post an all new video. And lucky for you, I have so many more yummy recipes right here on my channel.